Today's recipe is both sweet as well as spicy in taste. A special barfi made with ginger known as ginger barfi. This tastes like a spicy candy and is a wonderful snack to enjoy during winter. Because of the strong and spicy flavor of ginger, this barfi is prepared and served in small size. So first, let us take a look at the ingredients. About 6 to 7 inches big piece of ginger. This has been soaking in water for about 1 hour. Milk 3 tablespoons. Sugar approximately 2 cups, but we are going to confirm this quantity a little later. And also little ghee for greasing the plate that we are going to use to make the barfi. Now first we are going to remove this soaking ginger from water and remove the peel. Now cut this into smaller pieces. Now transfer this ginger to a grinder jar and also add the milk. Now grind it together to make a fine paste. Now we are going to measure this paste. So I have transferred it to a measuring jar and I can see that it is about 2/3 cup in measure. So now I am going to transfer this to a pan and add sugar to it, and the quantity of the sugar should be 3 times the quantity of this ginger paste. So our ginger paste was about 2/3 cup in measure. So I am going to add about 2 cups of sugar to this. Turn on the heat, keep it on medium, also keep turning continuously. First the sugar will melt and then it starts boiling. We have to keep continuously stirring it till it starts getting thicker. When it starts getting thicker, reduce the heat to low to avoid burning or browning at the bottom. After about 10 minutes, you can see this mixture is now really thick. It is easily coming together as a lump and also coming off easily from the bottom of the pan. So now turn off the gas and then pour it out into the plate that was greased with ghee. And spread it evenly. Apply little ghee to your finger so that you can spread it evenly with your hand. It cools and starts hardening very quickly. So that's why you have to be quick in spreading it onto the plate. And now cut it into small pieces. As you can see, it has already started getting harder. I'm cutting them into small size squares and then separate them out. And our delicious ginger barfi is ready. Enjoy the spicy and sweet taste and enjoy this delicious snack in winter. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy making this unique special barfi during winter at home. For more interesting recipes, please visit my website at uma.kitchen.